Gang, what is up, squad? Welcome to another video. Team M here, and today it's another video. And today it's trick or treating. Let's get it. You already know trick or treating. Get all the candy, go to people's houses, get all the candy. You already know. I don't know, but look at my. Well, I'm dressed up as a jock today. A jock. Yeah, so I'm dressed up as a jock today. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, we back with the next clip. It's trick or treating. Let's get it. We about to get out there. Let's see what's popping. Let's see how many people is in my neighborhood who like trick or treating. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. As you know, I'm going through my back door. About to go trick or treat. Towards these people. Hold on, I'll be right back, y'all. You already know it's lit. I'm out here. It's lit. I'm out here. You already know. Some fine girls out here too. Some fine girls. Some fine girls out here, y'all. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. Some fine girls out here. I look stupid right now, bro. Yeah, I think I look stupid. Some fine girls out here. See? They have that trick or treat. You don't see it? See? Well, I can't zoom in, but they have that trick or treat. But it's like a pack out here. Not much, but if y'all in Milwaukee watching this, go to Tulsa or go to one of them nice neighborhoods. Some nice neighborhoods. Some nice and rich neighborhoods. Go to one of those. And you guys are going to get like giant candy bars, all types of candy bars, but like mostly like every house got candy at in good neighborhoods. These looks packed. Alright, y'all. Next clip. Alright, y'all. This is the next clip. You already know. I was playing. But you already know. I'm going back in the house because it's cold. Haven't got time for these kids to yell and cuss. Yeah, let's get it. I cuss sometimes, but not all the time. So, let's get it. Yeah, I got braces, so. You already know. Let's get it. Let's roll in this house. It's locked. Oh, can't let y'all see that. What's the surprise tomorrow? It's some, just like him. But it's some more littler. Can't tell y'all yet, but that's just a sneak peek of what was it. But let's get it. Oh shoot, still recording? Are you serious? Oh, so what up, y'all? I'm waiting so my mom can come pick me up. I'm just waiting, y'all. I'm just irritated. I'm waiting patiently, and YouTube playing me, you know. These viewers playing me, you know. I don't got no type of viewers. Please, if you see this, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe, because I don't got no viewers yet. And I'll be posting like, as soon as I got this phone, I've been posting. And I'm trying to get a vlog camera for you guys. But these is the daily vlogs. I don't vlog every day, but I'm going to start vlogging every single day because I got school. I got all this stuff. So let's get it. Alright, y'all. Let me show y'all the big surprise. It's trick or treating. It's a good day. Let me show y'all the big surprise. Instead of tomorrow, we got a new puppy. If y'all noticed, that little sneak peek, that was the puppy. Let me show y'all again. This is the big dog. This is the big dog's son. He had puppies. His, the, He had puppies, and the mama has to go to Mississippi. So we went to Mississippi to get the puppy. And now he's here, so. Hey! So y'all, this the puppy, and hold on, let me show y'all that. Yeah. See? He loved the McKnights, y'all know. You know, he loved the McKnights. And there's some trick-or-treaters out here. I think my dogs look like father and son. Alright, be right back, y'all. Oh, y'all, it's the next clip. We're back with the next clip. And let's get it. We're back with the next clip, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go outside and go trick-or-treat. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, what up, y'all? We back with the next clip. You already know. We back with the next clip. And, I do the generic bags. You already know. Oh, shit. I just stepped on poop. I got dookie on my shoe. Okay, no, I don't. So, what's up, y'all? I do all generic bags. I do generic bags. That's what they be doing. Like, tiny clothes bags, some bags like that. They be doing, like, that can rip a plastic. I be doing just generic bags, generic plastic bags. Cause, you know, what's to do with. And, let's get it. Alright, y'all, I'm walking up to my first house. Yeah, I'm walking up to my first house. Let me show y'all. Drink. Thank you.